In a crowded industrial city lived a man named Arjun, 6 years old. He worked rotating shifts at a logistics warehouse, guarding shipments, sorting paperwork, doing work that kept him busy but never moved him forward. Heck, his paycheck covered rent and food. Nothing more. His room was small. His days felt smaller. Every morning on his way home, Arjun watched other people beginning their lives. Office workers, shop owners, students with purpose in their steps. And one question followed him every day. When does my life begin? Arjun worked hard. But hard work alone wasn't changing anything. He applied for better jobs. No degree, rejected. He wanted to learn new skills, but after long shifts, all he could do was sleep. His father called often and said quietly, "You, son, don't wait too long to build something. Time doesn't slow down." Arjun always replied, "Soon. I'm figuring it out." But the truth was painful. He didn't know where to start. One morning after a double shift, Arjun missed the last bus home. He sat on a bench near the warehouse. As dawn arrived, the sky lightened. The air was cool. The city was silent. It was just after Ling A.M. For the first time in years, he wasn't rushing or collapsing into bed. He was simply awake. He noticed something strange, people already moving with intention. A jogger. A shop owner, unlocking his door. A man reading quietly at a tea stall. And a thought landed clearly. If my life is ever going to change, it won't happen in crowded hours. It will happen in moments like this. A few days later, Arjun spoke with an older customer at work named Ravi, calm, confident, successful. "Hey," Ravi asked casually. "What time do you wake up?" Arjun laughed. "Depends on my shift." Ravi nodded. "That explains more than you think." Then he said something Arjun never forgot. When the world is loud, you survive. When the world is quiet, you design." Ravi explained that after failure, he rebuilt his life by protecting his mornings. Not to hustle, but to build. Ravi gave Arjun a simple system. 2 hours every morning. Hour 1, learn a valuable skill. Hour 2, strengthen your body and plan your life. That's it, Ravi said. No motivation, no miracles, just consistency. 2 hours a day becomes 14 hours a week, over 700 hours a year. That's not a habit, Ravi smiled. That's a second life. The beginning was brutal. Arjun's alarm rang while his body begged for rest. His mind created excuses effortlessly. But Ravi's words echoed, discipline isn't heroic, it's choosing discomfort now instead of regret later. So Arjun began. At Ling A.M., he studied basic data and accounting skills online. At Ling A.M., he walked, sometimes tired, sometimes angry, sometimes proud. No one praised him, no one noticed. And that's why it worked. After a few weeks, something shifted. He woke up before the alarm. His mind felt sharper, his confidence steadier. He began applying what he learned at work, organizing reports, simplifying systems. Supervisors noticed, not because he talked about waking early, but because his work changed. 3 months later, he was offered a better role, then another. But the biggest change wasn't his job. It was his mindset. He no longer felt like life was happening to him. He was building it. Arjun still wakes up early, not because it's trendy, not because successful people say you should. He does it because those quiet hours remind him who he's becoming, and that's the real lesson. Success isn't a destination. It's a daily practice done quietly when no one is watching. So, here's your challenge. Tonight, set your alarm earlier than usual. Decide what your first hour will build. Protect your sleep. Because rest fuels discipline, you don't need more motivation. You need a small promise you keep to yourself. Because somewhere between silence and sunrise, your future is waiting to be worked on. Okay. The only question is, will you show up?